Imagine spending $4,000 on a new engine, all because of bad oil habits. Nearly 1 in 4 cars that end up in repair shops are there for this reason. From wrong viscosity to careless draining, every mistake shaves life off your engine. Number 1 is downright insane. And yes, almost every driver has done it. So buckle up for 15 stupid oil change mistakes that destroy engines, plus a bonus tip that'll save yours. Mistake number 15. Overfilling oil. A little extra oil doesn't mean extra miles. Instead, too much oil turns your engine into a chaos zone. The crankshaft splashes through the excess, whipping it into foam. That foam isn't slick. It's useless. Bearings, pistons, and valves lose their protection. Friction skyrockets, pressure builds, and seals burst. Even worse, smoke and leaks soon follow. Your engine struggles to breathe, gasping under thick, bubbly oil. Let the dipstick be your truth teller. Plus, your car's manual shows the perfect amount, so you won't waste money or risk damage. Look it up and keep the level within the safe zone. Never guess it. When that oil splashes around, damage multiplies. Replacing pistons, bearings, or gaskets can easily reach $2,000. Be precise, because when it comes to oil, more isn't better. It's a disaster. Mistake number 14. Over-tightening the drain bolt. Consciously, you want to make sure there are no leaks, so you crank that bolt tighter and tighter. But instead of protecting your engine, you're causing havoc. Every bolt has a limit. Push past it, and you risk stripping the threads or even cracking the oil pan. That's not strength, it's destruction. So how tight is tight enough? Stop the guesswork and use a torque wrench. Listen carefully. You'll feel the first, second, and third lock. Stop there. That's the sweet spot. Beyond that, it's trouble. You're tripping the threads. And no, your hand isn't a torque tool. Don't rely on it to do the best. Under-tightening is just as bad. Engine vibrations shake a loose bolt free, draining oil as you drive. You've tightened things up, maybe too much. But what about the seal you forgot to smooth? Mistake number 13. Failure to lube the filter ring. The O-ring's job is to seal the filter tightly against the engine block. When it's dry, it can stick, tear, or even twist during installation. That tiny flaw opens a leak path. Oil escapes, pressure drops, and vital parts like bearings, pistons, and camshafts lose lubrication. You don't want these costly damages when all you planned was a simple $150 oil change. All it takes is a drop of clean oil. Dip your finger in fresh oil and lightly coat the O-ring before installing the filter. This quick 5-second step ensures a perfect seal, prevents leaks, and keeps oil flowing smoothly where it should. Ignoring it might seem minor, but it is a silent killer. Slow leaks cause heat buildup, friction, and wear, and if it sticks, removal becomes a nightmare, sometimes causing even more damage through forced pulls. Mistake number 12. Draining cold oil. Cold oil is thick and lazy. When you drain it before warming up, it clings stubbornly to the pan, trapping nearly 40% of sludge and metal debris inside your engine. That leftover junk keeps circulating, grinding against your bearings and camshaft like sandpaper. The fresh oil you pour in eats the same filthy mess, doing little to protect your engine. The fix is simple. Warm your car up for a few minutes. Just let it idle for 3 to 5. This gentle heat thins the oil, letting it flow out completely. No need to take a drive. That'll make it scorching hot and dangerous to touch. A few minutes of patience clears out the grime, keeps your oil pure, and saves your engine from slow, silent wear. Oil's warm, everything's smooth, and that tiny ring decides to ruin your day. Mistake number 11. Double gasketing. When you remove your oil filter, the old rubber gasket often clings stubbornly to the engine block. Unaware of this, you twist on a new filter, and now 2 gaskets sit stacked together. It looks snug, maybe even perfect, but underneath, trouble is brewing. That double layer can't hold proper pressure. It creates a fake seal waiting to burst. Once the engine starts, oil sprays out, pressure drops to 0, and soon your engine runs dry. Bearings grind, heat skyrockets, and failure hits fast. If you're lucky enough not to notice, the damage is done. you'll be staring at an expensive rebuild or replacement between $1,500 to $4,000. Every single time you change a filter, inspect closely. One quick glance can save thousands and prevent the heartbreak of a destroyed motor. Now, let's talk about the part so cheap yet so dangerous to skip. Hit like before your wallet learns that lesson the hard way. And subscribe so your engine stays drama-free. Mistake number 10. Reusing the drain plug washer. You've saved on the mechanics fee. Great job. But don't be so stingy that you skip the drain plug washer. Or maybe not stingy, just forgetful. Still, that tiny ring matters more than you think. It costs less than 20 bucks and you can grab one each time you buy new oil. Each time you tighten the drain plug, the washer compresses and flattens, losing its sealing power. Reuse it and the oil starts its quiet escape, one drip at a time. Slowly, your engine runs low, starving bearings and pistons of lubrication. Metal grinds on metal, heat builds, and wear accelerates. It's a small part, but a huge deal. Copper, aluminum, or rubber, it doesn't matter. Replace it every oil change, and your engine will be safe. Mistake number 9. Skipping the oil filter change. There's a popular myth that a dirty oil filter works better. Wrong. Once it's clogged, the bypass valve opens, letting oil flow around the filter instead of through it. When that happens, all the trapped dirt and metal particles flow with the oil, scratching bearings, pistons, and cylinder walls. Performance may not drop instantly, but reliability and longevity take a serious hit. Always change the filter whenever you change your oil. It traps debris larger than 25 microns, tiny but deadly over time. Driving conditions matter too. City driving keeps it cleaner, while dusty or smoky areas clog it faster. An oil filter costs only $10 to $20, yet skipping it can destroy your engine. Ignore this small investment, and that part that costs a few dollars could turn into a $3,000 to $5,000 engine replacement. A simple swap now saves you from that heartbreak later. Mistake number 8. Forgetting to check oil level after a change. Pour in fresh oil, glance at the dipstick, and call it a day. Big mistake. The new oil hasn't yet made its full journey through the filter, oil passages, and engine parts. That first reading is totally misleading, especially if your car was running thirsty. Here's what to do instead. Start the engine and let it idle for a minute. This allows the oil to circulate everywhere it needs to go. Then shut it off, wait about 10 minutes, and check again. You'll probably notice the level drop. That means your engine still needs a top-up. Add with precision and confirm using the dipstick again. You don't want to keep redoing the process just because you missed the mark. This step also helps spot early leaks. If the level drops right after pouring, something's wrong. Don't just pour and go. Get it right. You check the level, but if you skip this next step, your oil's living a double life. Mistake number 7. Adding new oil without draining the old. This is the most tragic mistake. You've basically done zero work. Maybe you're trying to save time or a few bucks and think topping up or neutralizing old oil is fine, but guess what? That filthy oil still lurks beneath, and your engine won't thank you. Old oil carries dirt, carbon, and tiny metal shavings from worn parts. Mix that with new oil, and you just diluted its strength. The fresh oil loses its ability to lubricate, cool, and clean properly. Inside, heat builds, friction grows, and wear speeds up like wildfire. Always drain the old oil completely before refilling. Let it drip till it's empty. No sense in mixing fresh oil with leftover grime. Fresh oil deserves a clean start, and your engine's life depends on it. Mistake number 6. Checking oil on uneven ground. If the ground leveling is off, your reading will lie. Even a slight slope can throw it way out. Nose up and the dipstick shows low. Nose down and it looks full. Or worse, overfilled. Either way, you're trusting bad data, and bad data wrecks engines. An overfill leads to foamy oil, blown seals, and rising pressure. Underfilling, on the other hand, starves the engine of lubrication, causing metal to grind and heat to soar. Both mistakes shorten your engine's life fast. Many drivers think they're fine, but a tilted check hides slow, creeping damage. Always park on a flat, level surface before pulling that dipstick. Wipe it clean, insert it fully, and read twice to be sure. Accuracy here isn't picky, it's protection. A straight surface means a true reading and a safe engine. Sadly, even the flattest surface can't save you if the air inside your engine's trapped. Mistake number 5. Failing to remove the oil filler cap. Opening the oil filler cap allows air to flow in, helping the old oil drain smoothly. Skipping it slows everything down, but it's not just the speed. When you forget to remove the cap, a vacuum forms inside the engine. That suction traps sludge, metal shavings, and dirty residue at the bottom of the pan. You'll think the job's done, but nearly a quarter of the old oil still lingers inside, ready to mix with the new stuff. This leftover grime keeps circulating, scarring your bearings, pistons, and other vital components. And the disaster doesn't end there. Forget to put the cap back on afterward, and you'll have oil splashing everywhere. Dust and dirt slip in easily, poisoning your clean oil. So, always remove the filler cap before draining, and seal it tight afterward. One simple twist saves your engine from a costly, messy fate. Still with me? Good. Because this next so-called bargain has bankrupted more engines than bad driving ever did. Mistake number 4. Using cheap, unverified oil. Saving a few bucks by buying cheap oil is disastrous. Manufacturers specify exact oil types for a reason. Your engine depends on precise lubrication and temperature control. That unverified, unnamed bargain oil might look like a deal, but it's a trap. You're not being smart. If you could invest thousands to buy the car, don't hesitate to spend an extra $50 to protect it. Cheap oil often breaks down faster, turns acidic, and forms sludge. It can't handle heat or friction for long. Bearings lose protection, pistons scrape harder, and metal particles start grinding through your engine. Slowly but surely, it kills performance, fuel efficiency, and eventually the engine itself. Always choose oil with API or ASEA certification and match the viscosity grade in your owner's manual. Your engine's lifeblood deserves quality. Cheap oil isn't a bargain, it's an early death sentence. Mistake number 3. Over-tightening the oil filter. Do not use a torque wrench here. Your hand is enough. When you over-tighten, you crush the rubber O-ring inside the filter. That tiny seal's job is to keep oil in and air out. Once it's squished or warped, it can't do its job. The result? Oil leaks, pressure drops, and your engine slowly starves of lubrication. But that's not the end of it. During your next oil change, that filter will feel like it's welded to the engine. You'll twist, pull, and fight it, scraping your knuckles, breaking tools, and possibly tearing the filter apart. One wrong move, and you've got oil everywhere. Screw the filter on until it touches the base. Then, tighten by hand about 3/4 of a turn. That's plenty. Heat cycles will snug it naturally, keeping your engine safe and leak-free. Mistake number 2. Filling oil too fast. Patience is power when pouring oil. Many people rush it, dumping fresh oil straight into the engine like they're filling a water bottle. When you pour too fast, the oil can't flow smoothly into the narrow passages. It splashes around, traps air bubbles, and forms foam. Exactly what your engine doesn't need. Foamy oil can't lubricate properly, and that means friction, heat, and wear shoot up fast. Pour slowly, in short intervals, giving the oil time to settle and spread evenly through the system. Check your dipstick between pours to stay in the safe range. Oil changes aren't a race. Go slow, stay steady, and let your engine breathe. Rushing this step costs more than time. You poured like a pro, but your final enemy isn't inside the engine. It's on it. Mistake number 1. Spilling on other engine components. Every driver's guilty of this one. A few drops of oil here and there seem too little to matter, but that small spill can turn deadly fast. When oil lands on engine parts like the exhaust manifold or alternator, it doesn't just burn off. It smokes, stinks, and in some cases, it can ignite a fire. That thin film also traps dust and grime, forming a sticky, heat-holding layer that slowly cooks your engine bay from the inside out. Worse still, when oil seeps into hoses or electrical connectors, it causes swelling, cracking, and short circuits. Over time, those leaks chew through belts and seals. A timing or serpentine belt replacement alone can cost upwards of $1,000. So whenever you change your oil, keep a rag nearby, use a funnel, pour carefully, and wipe up every drip right away. Finally, just as promised, meet the small but mighty upgrade that quietly saves your engine from metal mayhem. Bonus trick: the magnetic drain plug secret. This tiny upgrade works like a metal detective. It grabs microscopic steel shavings and debris floating in your oil before they can scratch up your engine's internals. Over time, those particles grind away at bearings and gears like invisible sandpaper. The magnet traps them safely at the bottom of the pan, keeping your oil cleaner and your bearings protected. It costs less than $20, installs in seconds, and adds real protection between oil changes. You've just dodged 15 engine-killing mistakes during your oil change. Nail it, and your engine will run like a champ. Mess it up, and you're paying thousands. So, hit like, drop your guilty confession below, and remember, keep it smooth, clean, and smart every mile.